Causative verbs show when someone forces another person to do something. The verb make is the strongest causative verb. It means someone has power or authority over another person and compels them to take action. Make always expresses force or compulsion. The structure for make is simple. Subject plus make plus object plus base form of the verb. Notice there is no to before the final verb. The subject forces the object, who is usually a person, to do the action. She made her brother clean his room means she forced her brother to clean. Mom made me wash the dishes. This means mom forced her child to wash dishes. Teacher makes us study every day shows the teacher compels students to study. Boss made him work late means the boss required extra work. Notice make is always followed by the base verb form without to. Coach made team practice extra shows the coach forced more training. Parents make kids eat vegetables means parents compel children to eat healthy food. Doctor made me rest completely indicates medical orders were enforced. Music makes everyone dance shows even music can force action. For negative form, use did not make or did not plus object plus base verb. She did not make him clean his room. For questions, use did plus subject plus make plus object plus base verb. Did she make him clean his room? The base verb stays the same in all forms. The biggest mistake is adding to after make. Wrong, she made him to clean. Correct, she made him clean, never use to with make. Another error is wrong subjects. The book made me learn sounds strange. Better, the story made me think. Always match make with logical force situations. Practice these sentences. Make her clean the kitchen. They made us wait for an hour. Who made you apologize? She makes her brother do his homework. Did he make you pay the bill? The coach made the team practice harder. Say these aloud using the make structure correctly. Remember the make structure. Subject plus make plus person plus base verb with no to. Make means force or compel someone to act. Negative uses did not make plus base verb. Questions use did plus subject plus make. Practice these patterns daily for perfect causative usage.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.